Okay, so I'm going to do a little video explaining how to work the TV. Seems complicated with all these 4 controllers, but actually it's not too bad. So, number 1, this guy right here is the TV remote. This guy right here is a Roku. This is the sound. And then this is to operate the DVD player. So if you don't use that, you can have that guy out over there. So let's turn on the TV. We're going to use the power button and turn that bugger on. Little green light. Come on. There it is. Takes a little bit. Alright, so it's on HDMI 2, which you might be able to see, and then that is found by input, which is right here. Zoom in, please. There it is, input. So if you have to switch it to do the DVD player, you'd use input, and then you'd scroll up to HDMI 2, and then that will give you your DVD player. But let's switch it back to Roku. Oh, and here's TV. Actually, I don't. Yeah, sorry, I don't have. You get bad antenna reception here, so I don't even use TV. So with the Roku, it's thinking right now, so I'm just going to hit the home guy, get that one on. So there's your home. Now to find any channels, you're going to push the over button, and that's going to get you over to play Angry Birds if you want. But mostly you can use Netflix. You can use any of these. Any of these channels are up for watching. I would mostly just use Netflix. You could watch movies off of Amazon. You'd have to log in on your own account, so I highly recommend that you log off so the next guest doesn't use your login information. Anything you log in on, like Blockbuster or any of those ones, just make sure you log off so that you don't get charged by the next guest. And then, just for sound, I'm going to hit the on button, hear it kick on, and it's already on TV satellite. Where is it? Right there, this one. And then there is a cord if you want it to go off of your MP3 player, your phone or whatever to play music. You can play it through there, and that is going to be I think it's either DVD or video. Oh, actually I have it in here. Let's look at the handy guy, and MP3 is played off a CD, so you select CD to do that. So let's just do a quick run through. Do Netflix. I'm going to hit OK. Netflix comes on. Do the guest. And somebody liked Single Moms Club. Let's just do this guy real quick. Oh, somebody's already watching it. There you go. All good to go. So hope that's good, and have a good stay. Thanks. Bye.
How did you get in here?